In this video, I'm going to talk about adjusting the brightness and contrast levels. Now, maybe this isn't the best example as a subject for this. Perhaps you took a photograph of a model and it just is maybe a little bit too dark or it's a little bit too bright. It's just a matter of perhaps adjusting some settings to kind of improve the image quality. You're going to find these settings under Image, under Adjustments, and Brightness Contrast. So I'm just going to kind of show you how they're going to impact the drawing. If I adjust the brightness, for example, I can either increase the brightness or drop it down. So again, it really depends on what's happening with the image that you're working with. So let's say I just want to, from the starting point of 0, let's say I just want to brighten it a little bit, but maybe I want more contrast between the whites and the darks. So perhaps I increase the contrast at the same time. So, just use your judgment as to what needs to happen. Perhaps look for an image that has a little bit more of an issue, like as I was describing before, that it's too bright or too dark, and see how those settings affect the image. It could be that the image just needs to be retaken, but there is some ability that you have to adjust these things in Photoshop. So whatever you choose, just go ahead and set the brightness and contrast and click on OK and save the file. And that's pretty much all there is to it.